keys, actually.
Why'd you just slam my door like that?
Oh, I forgot the house keys inside.
Why'd you slam my door like... Hey! Why are you slamming my door?
She wasted my favorite drink.
I really slipped.
Wait, watch out. Watch out, watch out.
Wait, ow, ow.
Watch out. What is that? You okay?
Ow.
What happened?
Okay, which sweater do you want?
The gray one.
The gray one? Okay, sweet.
What the fuck?
You have a lot of gray ones. Which one?
Why are you slamming my door?
What are you talking about? Which one do you want? Like,
The gray one.
what does it say on it?
It says Jesus is King.
Okay.
Why are you slamming my door?
What?
Why are you slamming my door? What's the
What are you
point of
talking
that?
about? No, like which one? Which hoodie is it?
I
don't
already
know.
told you. The one that says
You have a lot of
Jesus...
you have a lot of gray hoodies. What are you getting mad about?
Because you're slamming my door.
All right, I'll hurry.
Oh my gosh. Holden Bryce Davenport.
What?
Why are you slamming my door?
I'm not. What are you talking about?
Why are you slamming my door?
Do you want the sweater or not?
Yes, but can you close my door, right? I'm gonna kill him.
Yo, I'm gonna slam the car door on Jessie and see how she reacts. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the food.
Okay.
Excuse me? Why'd you slam it so hard?
Oh man, I forgot my wallet. Oh.
Babe, why did you slam it so... What the hell?
Love it, sir.
Why'd you slam my door?
My keys.
Why'd you just slam my door like that?
Love it.
Don't slam my
Forgot
door
my
like
keys.
that. You brought your whole... Yo. I just said don't slam my door.
Oh, I can't hear you.
Like, you're not getting me tight.
What'd you say?
Stop.
What'd you say? I can't hear
You
you.
keep slamming my door. Slam it again. I'm gonna fuck you up. You think it's funny? You think it's funny?
Okay,
Where's your
so-
stupid ass camera?
what'd you say?
Stop slamming my door!
Hold on, I can't. My
Get
fault.
the Am I slow?
What'd you say?
This is stupid ass out here. Get your stupid ass phone out of here.
Crap! I forgot my wallet. Be right back. Sorry to scare you.
Crap!
What?
Why'd you close the door like that? Michael! What are you doing? Stop! Get your wallet! No, don't slam it!
Fuck. I left my wallet in the house, baby.
Hurry up.
I'll be right back.
Babe, you need to... What the fuck is his problem, bruh? Why are you slamming the door?
Damn, where my keys?
Bruh, Zaya! Don't slam my damn door. At all, bruh. I'm not playing.
Slamming my girlfriend's car door prank to see her reaction.
Oh, hold on, yeah. That's something in the truck. I'll be right back.
Bitch, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck are you recording? Why the fuck you sound to shut my door like that?
I'm finna go get some drink. You want some?
Yeah. Can you give me a full water?
Alright, I got you.
Why in the fuck would you just slam my door that hard?
You said what?
Why would you slam my door that hard?
What you talking about?
Stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing with me. Ah! You motherfucker! I'm gonna beat your motherfucker. Why would you? This motherfucker wanna break. You wanna break up? Huh? You wanna break up?
Shut your ass. Thank you, baby. You get my charger and get all out. Stupid motherfucker. Why the hell you slam my door like you ain't got no sense?
Cause y'all was running your damn mouth.
Don't be slamming my door. I should make you get out and open it and close it back.
Man, let's go.
Alright, baby, you want something from up out of here?
Yeah, you just give me some hot Cheetos
Chips
and come back. I wasn't done ordering what I wanted.
What's up, baby?
I want hot Cheetos.
I heard
and I
you
want
said
the
the
mango
chips
tea.
and the mango tea.
And I want. Why you not? Why are you steady walking away?
What you talking about? I heard you said you want the chips.
Okay, wait here first, so I can finish putting in my order.
Put it in your order.
So
This
I
ain't
want-
Burger King.
I want hot Cheetos
You
and
want the hot
mango
chip?
tea, and I want the berry
Say
Skittles.
less.
And oh nah, what the? Come back for real.
Come on, what's up? Man, I'm trying to hurry up. You know what I'm saying?
Why you not waiting here? You literally just running off.
You look good.
Jordan, don't play with me right
What
now.
you talking about?
Go get my hot Cheetos and my
You said the
mango
hot
tea
Cheetos?
and my berry Skittles. Like, I don't understand what the problem is.
It's a it's a
Like,
prank.
you're
Just
gonna
chill.
piss me off.
Babe, hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot something. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Devon!
What?
Why did you slam the door that hard?
I didn't mean to. All
Come
I did was
on!
just-
Don't slam it!
My fault.
Devon! Devon!
All right, yo, chill
Stop
out.
slamming the door! Don't slam it!
My bad.
The sugar-free, the candy that we got last time, remember? And don't forget the Splenda. Assuming she's gonna post this on TikTok. So hi guys.